Hi everyone, hope you're well. It's been a while since my last video, but I do have a new message coming through and I know there are people who will benefit from hearing this now. So it's a one card read. You can see it's the Eight of Cups and this is for now, September 2024, up until at least the end of the year. So this card is a card of walking away from a situation. There are 8 cups in the front here, which are upright. So it's not like some of the other cups cards where some of them are upside down and it's really obviously a disappointing, sad situation. From the outside, your situation might look okay, but from the inside, you just know that it's not right for you anymore. And because this card is about cups of feelings and emotions, it just doesn't feel right to stay in this situation, and it feels like the right thing to go. So as I say, it's not negative. He's walking away and you can see he's holding a stick here, which shows that this person has support, and they're walking from lower ground to higher ground, which shows an improvement. So whatever you're going to will be better. And I think wherever you are at the moment with this, you know it. You may not know the details of the situation that you're going to, but you just know this intuitive knowing that it will feel better and you will feel better when you're in it. Now, in the sky here, I think this is an eclipse. So we've got a moon and a sun, and we do have eclipse season coming up. So this week on the 17th or 18th of September, it's a supermoon, which means strong feelings, intense feelings. And I think it's a partial eclipse. So then there'll be another one 2 weeks later. So it is a time of change. It is a time of shifts. And that really links in with what this card is saying. I didn't even feel like I needed to pull any other cards to clarify this message because it was just so clear. So I've just surrounded this with crystals to support you on this journey, this decision, this change, this kind of choice you need to make, and this path that you need to follow now. So we've got rose quartz for heart energy, black obsidian for protection and support. We've got celestite for spiritual support, blue lace agate for communication, saying the right thing at the right time, yellow tiger's eye for inner strength, amethyst for clear thinking, smoky quartz for spiritual protection, selenite again for connection to higher powers, citrine for optimism and hope. This one here is another yellow tiger's eye, and dragon's blood jasper for self-belief and courage. So best wishes, everyone, and I will be back again soon when the next message comes through. Thanks for listening.